Welcome to this step-by-step video for replacing the oxygen output nozzle fitting on the Rhythm Healthcare P2 Portable Oxygen Concentrator. The P2 POC is built for durability, featuring a recessed pocket designed to help protect the oxygen outlet nozzle fitting from direct impact. However, if the fitting does become damaged, it can be replaced quickly and easily. Let's get started. Tools required: Nozzle Fitting Driver Tool, P2 NFD-1, Replacement Metal Nozzle Fitting, P2 NZL-2, Tweezers, and a small flat blade screwdriver. Start by removing the battery. Press and hold the battery latch, then slide the battery away from the unit. As a point of reference, note that the output nozzle is not parallel to the work surface, it is slightly angled upward. Using the Nozzle Fitting Driver Tool, align the two pins on the tool with the two holes on the nozzle fitting, then press it firmly into place. Turn the driver tool counterclockwise until the nozzle fitting is fully unthreaded from the air outlet seat. Carefully remove the nozzle along with the sealing O-ring. After removing the nozzle, confirm that the air outlet is properly aligned. The two double D flats should be parallel with the housing and positioned forward. Proper alignment is important to prevent the air outlet from rotating during installation of the new nozzle. Prepare the replacement nozzle by inserting the O-ring into the threaded end of the fitting. Carefully thread the new nozzle onto the air outlet in a clockwise direction. Then hand tighten it until it is secure. Reinstall the battery, making sure it securely latches into place. Thank you for viewing.